happy to be again to be streaming and sharing stuff with you today. So I don't know. It's Thursday. It's 5:31 p.m. here in Italy, and hey, we're building platformatic stuff. So hopefully we can get things going and do stuff. Will be fun, right? Should be, maybe. I don't know. So yeah, cool. Let's wait for people to join up. I don't know. I see a few people around. So how are you doing? So okay. What are we building today? Well, we are going to be building again the Unscalable queue system. It's fun. And so here we go. Here is it. I'm going to pin it as yay. That's where we are working on today. Okay, so and let's start. Okay, so by the way, for everybody that's watching on YouTube or something later on, it's github.com/platformatic/unscalable-q-system, and here it is. So here we go. This is our application, and we have still a few things to do. We have batching, core coverage, and some more refactoring. Do you like refactoring, folks? Oh yeah, I don't need this. This is it. Okay. Sorry. Here we go. Okay. Here it is. So, and I need to, I need Chrome. I need a terminal first also. I didn't open it. Okay. Let's do that right now. So I can set things up correctly. Okay. So, yeah, finished LiveStream. Cool. Okay, so what are we doing? We need the terminal. We have the terminal and we have Chrome. Okay, so and I just need to enlarge this a little bit. Okay, and here we go. Scene collection tools, automating scene switcher. Start. Okay. So now if I'm switching the terminal, yeah, it's working correctly. Perfect. So what are we going to implement today? Today we are going, I think, to work on implement batching or calling endpoints in parallel on calling endpoint in parallel, essentially. So, and we'll see if it works or not. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so CD, Unscalable, Q system. Oh, I need for plus. Probably need a bit bigger. Yeah, here we go. So, okay, plus. Okay. Is it big enough? Probably yes, right? Can you see it? If you don't, let me know. Can you hear the music? Can you hear myself? Everything should be fine. Should be fine. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Hi, Raptor91. Welcome. Do you use Node.js, Raptor? Hello, ICV Kazo. Hey, a few known faces. Hello. Hi, folks. So, yeah, we want to do batching. Oh, why is this? I still have something open. Do I have something open? Let me just close a few windows. Let me just close a few windows on the other terminal. Here we go. Yeah, I did. In the end, I actually did. Okay. Here we go. So, okay. Here we go. Git checkout main. Git pull. Here we go. Oh, this is actually good. Do you think it's this is a good question, and I'm actually very happy to answer that question. So cool. Let's do that. So the question is, do you think it's possible to become a programmer at 31? I'm starting with HTML and CSS and JavaScript, and I'm at the basics. I'm Italian. So yes, it's always possible. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be. It's going to require a lot of hard work, as all things in life. But there is definitely nothing that can stop you. It's only going to, given the demand in the industry, it's actually totally possible to for you to learn these and get a job. So start, okay, and start building stuff. It might take, like, the landing the first job would be the hardest things to do. So maybe might take after you finish your boot camp or something like that, might take 6 months or 1 year to get there. It's so it really depends what kind of work are you looking for. I think there is so high demand that you might find it. Like, it's not that hard, but you need to prove that you can deliver. Okay, like the true question is, can you take 6 months or something or 1 year and learn enough of the basics to be able to deliver a small project or work in a team? So this is a question of what are the other skills you bring to the table. So that's the gist. Maybe somebody else in the stream has some other point of view. If they do, please let me know. Okay. So, and everybody, all the people that just joined, welcome. So anyway, what we are saying is that we were going to build to add batching, or calling the endpoints in parallel. So executor. Okay, so what does this mean? It means there is this to do here that is run this in parallel. What does this do? So what does the Unscalable queue system do? It loads the messages from our database, and then it calls those endpoints one by one. Okay, and you can see it here. This is what it happens. So we create the queue with the callback URL and some other stuff, and then we put in a message. Actually, this diagram is not correct. It's a save item, it's save message. Let's fix that. Okay, so it's save message. So here we go. Here we go. Okay. Updated the architecture. Done. Okay. So as I was saying, we create the queue, we create the message, and then with the message we call the target server with a callback that's defining callback URL. And if we get a 500 or this doesn't work, we retry again. And all of this with a SQLite storage, which is what makes it an unscalable queue system, in the sense that it only runs on one host by design. Okay, we're going to handle multi-host later on probably. So, but in this first series of things, we are just focusing on one host. So, which means, so what we want right now is, so before that, right now, what it does, it takes all those messages and process them one by one. But Node.js is really powerful to handle parallelism, right? Because it has an event loop. So we want to do multiple calls in parallel. And this is essentially this function, which is actually quite long, to be honest. It's something that we might want to refactor a little bit. And that's it, really. So it's this is the function, okay? And we want to refactor this a little bit so that it's only it only executes correctly. Okay, it's a good. It makes the calls in parallel. So in order to do that, what we want to let's create. I would say let's call it parallelism, and I'm going to copy this block here and create a fresh new test. Ooh, no, did it wrong. Here we go. Okay. What we want to we create our callback. This create our queue, and then we have a message, and then we wait that this is called. Well, technically, we want to create two messages, okay, in there, okay, and let's see. So okay, let's when there's some of those questions, I'm going to my test and fixtures. Okay, where I have my. Oh yeah, I don't need the fixtures actually. Copy. I can do npx plt db start and running. Okay, and then I can look at my graphical. Yeah, this graphical is always problematic. I will need to fix that later on. So anyway, here is the message and the callback URL is on the queues. Okay, so what I want is a mutation. I probably want to not save, but insert messages. Ha, and there is an array of inputs. Haha. This is interesting. Okay, so I can put in the body. Cool. And I might ask back the ID. And yeah, I probably need something here. Oh yeah. Okay, so we have input messages. Cool. Okay. Okay, I think we can do that. Okay, here. Okay. Insert message. Let's do something way easier here. How I do the batching? I don't remember how to do the batching here. So let's look it up. Don't remember. Okay. So GraphQL array of objects and yay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. doesn't really help me a lot. Oh, here we go. Let's look it up. Maybe I can just look it up on my own docs. What do you think? Oh, not this one. Packages. Lib test. Insert. Okay, this seems cool. Ah, okay, I can just do page inputs. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So here I am just doing messages. Message input. Okay. Perfect. So inputs. And I need, yeah, the inputs, the messages. And here it's variables, messages. Okay. And here, okay, twice. Seems good. Here I can just do JSON stringify, hello folks, and here instead I can do hello folks too. Okay, so we don't need any of this. So we have stored these two messages, and we want those two messages to be executed to call immediately our server, which is on top of here, which means called will be called 2 times, but we need to make sure it's not completed. So what we need to do is going to do a nasty trick. Okay. So this is let p. Okay. Okay, no, this is fine. Okay. This is, well, we don't need this. We don't need p called. We need, what we need is const all called and on EE called. So this creates me an async generator, an async iterator on the called event. So I need to specify on here, and we won't need once. Okay, or well, we will also use once. So let's leave it there. Okay, so this creates me all called. So here I'm just doing for await. Okay, and let count 0 if count 2 break. Okay, this is good. This unblocks my test. Okay, and it makes sure that this is called twice. Well, we have the path, so I might not even need that. I don't need this. Nope, I don't. Huh? Interesting. Okay, so here we have P. Okay, this is a promise. Okay, now if not P, okay, so if P does not exist, we create a promise. and we await P. Else, we emit cold and we set P to null. We set P to null and we emit cold. Okay, so on the first call, we are going to wait to set up, sorry, here. Await P. Okay, so we are going to await for the first call, and then if it's the second one, so it's the first one, we are going there. If it's the second one, we are unblocking the first one. So only if two things, this is not needed. Okay. Okay. So these test us that they are called in parallel. Okay. So this if block ensure that the first request waits for the second to complete. Okay. And then here these returns like that. Okay, so it unblocks. So unblocked. And request. Okay, cool. So this is called twice. And 3, but this is, yeah, 3 is needed. Yeah, I would not do that, not do that, not do that. Okay, so just 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, so 38 plan 4. Okay, so let's try and see if this pass. It won't. Should be equal 1, 2, 2. Ooh, why? Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, my bad. Ah. QID. Yeah. Why it's QID? Oh, we are not setting it. Here we go. And so this is becomes 5. Okay. Okay. Message when. Okay. Here it's. Yes. Let's split it. This is not going to work. Okay. It's const. This is become let let cold. Let first cold false. Okay. And here it's on the first one, if not cold, await P, cold true. Okay. And these should not complete. Okay. Oh, messages when. Oh. is this called? Plugin. It's not passing through here. Maybe I did something stupid. I probably need to add something on the hooks. Here we go. Let's check SQL mapper, lib, entity, and oh no, it's in the mapper. Add entity hooks. Yeah, I need to do insert 2 here, unfortunately. Good for me. And okay. Inputs for const input of inputs. Const now. Okay. Okay, we got now. Then does the update timer handle this correctly? Yeah, it does. Okay, so I can just do up log. Okay. Okay, here we go. Unexpected error value. Yeah, this is the problem that we were facing last time. So here we go. Unexpected error value. Yeah, one of my colleagues was complaining hard about the fact that in some cases it throws. Yeah, well, await and res. Here it's missing an await too. Interesting. Yeah. What is the problem? Oh, here. Okay. Cool. Okay, that is done. Cool. Okay. We are here doing this. Okay. So, how are you doing this evening, folks? Okay, I think few people online, maybe. I don't know. Cool. Hello. Hi, Drago Codes. How are you doing today? Just listening in. Oh, okay. Well, you haven't missed much. We have been rambling about Node a little bit. Cool. Okay. Yay. Yes. Hopefully. Hopefully, I'm in the good teacher, or hopefully not. So, okay. So we have a test that's failing. Okay. And the reason is it's not doing all the things that it should be doing, the application. So here I can remove this stuff. Okay. Okay. So no, actually, this is actually useful. Here it's what needs to, this can go. Okay. So here we are, okay, console log not needed. So we are calling, so it says 3 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, and we're looking for 5. And it's not even 3 to 5. Okay. So if not called, okay. Oh, yeah. Well, this is simple. This is await P. Okay. Yeah, this gets totally stuck. So much fun. Okay, perfect. This is what I was expecting to happen. So here, what we want is we want to process those in parallel, okay? Now, let's do something that might be not good, but we are doing it anyway. So await promise all. Okay. And we are running this in parallel. Okay. And actually it's not all, but it's all settled. Okay. Okay. So we're running this for all of them and closing. Okay. Let's see if, oh, yeah, made a mistake. Okay. Yeah, we need another. Okay. Doesn't seem to work though. Oh, I'm so good. Okay. Oh, wait. So this is a map. It was an array of functions. Okay. And in reality, we need open this up and close it and call it. So we want if. Okay. Okay. Is not a function. Actually, no, this was correct. Okay. So this was correct. So this should be called log message. Okay. This is getting 2 messages correctly. Yay! Any good soul in the chat? Okay, I can explain it. Okay, what I'm doing is I am building this little tool called the Unscalable queue system. This is the architecture of what I am building. So basically, I have actually this is a good diagram. So I have a queue object which has a callback URL, and then a message object that goes into the queue, which is what we'll call the come as a body of this URL. And we have the target server, which will be called, and then we have a little bit of a database to retry things in case it fails. That's what we're doing. We have been like, this is probably the 8th time we are doing this, 9th time that we stream the development of this. And we are missing what we are implementing today is batching, or implementing the calls in parallel. So that's what we are doing. Is Rigava is something? It's okay. Do you could you follow? Okay. So here we are doing that, and let's just see. Okay, it's before make callback. Okay, so this is okay. Console log. Let's log this. Make callback. Okay. Yeah, those two things are coming in parallel. Okay, this works. So the test works is doing what I expect it to do. Cool. But then what the problem with my code that's not working? So much fun. Oh, are you? So are you? Was I not really clear? And are you trolling me a little bit? I'm very happy if you're trolling me, by the way. So if you're trolling me, just say to me if you're trolling me. Okay. Am I blowing your minds a little bit? I don't know. You tell me. So so batching, okay, which is calling the endpoint in parallel. Okay, so why it's not working as I expect it to? I don't know either. So it's interesting stuff. It's not okay. Okay, so this is being called. So the first one that's being called, it's hello folks. Okay. Okay. Sorry. If not called, here called true. Yeah. Sorry. Made a mistake in the logic. Okay. It's missing a few things because yeah, it's fine though. It's fine. What I need is await new promise. Yeah, instead of set timeout though, we are going to use set immediate. Why do we need this? Do we know why I need this? And it will make our test suddenly pass. Yes. No, it didn't. Ouch. How is possible? Yes, I'm using NeoVim. Okay. Ah, I'm sorry. You are on mobile. Yeah, don't worry about it. Okay, it's fine. The code is small. Do you want to make it bigger? You prefer if it's bigger? We can make it a little bit bigger if you want to. Okay. Hey, Sam Dev. Pretty good. It's Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. I don't know. This is probably stating the obvious. So week is coming to an end. Next week, I am not going to stream because I'm doing an offsite with all the Platformatic team members. So we are going to meet up in Milan, and I am also speaking in Milan with my team at front end Milano front end community meetup. So if you are around Milan, we can see each other if there are people in Milan. Otherwise, yeah, no, but I'm not doing the stream. It's I might post some shorts or Instagram stories or some small videos on YouTube if I can, but no stream for next week. So, okay. I feel very sloppy today. Yeah, but why it's not printing anything here? Yeah, it's not printing it. So this is actually a very good question. What's the purpose of the unscalable queue system? So at some point, Platformatic will need a queue system, and the goal for this is to be the basics of it. And the fact that it's unscalable, okay, but will and it can scale more than one process, in reality is not that big of a problem because you can actually instantiate them very quickly. And I'm planning to solve the unscalability of it later on. So to be honest, this is actually needed for Platformatic Cloud. It's just me developing this in public and on the stream. So yay. Okay, it's a meeting. Woo! What? Sorry. What? Oh, yeah. Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay. Emitting and emitted. Yeah, I don't understand how this is not there. Yeah, let me try something. Yeah, these will call them immediately. So yeah, this is a waiting P. Yeah, soon to be scalable, but now it's not. That's it. What do you think, folks? I don't understand why this is not working as expected. Okay, so it's storing two queues. Await P These awaits P before everything. It emits stuff. Okay, let's add the logger here. Okay, it's throwing. T is not defined. I am this level of stupid. Okay. Okay. Pass is not defined. Yeah, it's passing. Okay. So I have a quiz for all of you. Okay. Look at this quiz. What is the problem of Promise All? If you know what the problem is, what's the problem with Promise All, I'll get you on stream to explain it. No, I'm joking. But I don't have any gift for you. So, hey, I'm sorry. But yeah, let me know if you know. If not, I will disclose this like in 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Okay. Parallel calls can lead you out of memory. Exactly that. If you're doing parallel calls, you can go out of memory. Good. Good stuff. Okay. Yeah, no, if one fails, all fails, that's not true because we are using all settled. So in here, we are using all settled. So if one fails, one stays failed. So this is actually good. Now, the article to look at for this kind of stuff is this article. And it's ADP. Let me look at it. Look it up. Yeah, ADP promise all. So yeah. Should be this one. Oh, yeah, it's that. Yeah. It's not working anymore very well. Yeah. The problem here is that when this will happen, we will have a massive memory spike, which will actually slow everybody down. What can you do with it? Well, you can do something to manage this, and the problem sparks from this block of all messages. Okay, so I can what we can do is split an array in groups of 10. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. So now instead of doing that, I can do for const messages group of groups. Here it's group. Okay. What do I need to remove? The promise all? Yeah, I think I've done it. Like this is great. Group them in batches of 10, and then it does the parallel queue on 10. Well, technically, not necessarily. Sorry, I made a mistake. These are already 10. There's no need. You know why there are already 10? I can't see. I'm blind, possibly. There is limit 10 on the top. So I'll never get more than 10 messages here. So we can just get the 10 messages, and that's it. Okay, very nice. App is done. Yeah, limit in the DB. That's exactly what it is. So, okay. And we do them, all the things there in parallel. That's great. Okay, and we have added batching. Cool. Get status. Okay. Okay. Implemented parallel. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. Made a mistake. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I didn't add the files. Okay. And so then I'm going into my folder. Okay. Oh, I made it wrong. It's not the Peter Richard. I want to go into the Unscalable queue system. Okay. Oh, I pushed it in main. Come on. Made a mistake. Patience. It's up in main. On main. I wanted to appear. Anyway. So here we have done that. And now we have the problem of code coverage. Okay. So yeah, I typically work in feature branches. So yeah, let's see where we are at with the tests. Oh. Okay. We have a few lines of code that are not covered. Let's look at them. 29 and 30. Yeah. Yeah. This seems about correct. Let's not go there. Let's not go there. 30 and 31. Mm-hmm. Not picking it up. Here it is. Come on, now it's not picking it up. Yeah, because it's not Istanbul. That's the reason. Look at it. It's C8. Ah, me very stupid. Okay. Come on, how is this 30 and 31st? How come? How come this is still the problem? Oh, but it's not just... Come on. Okay. No. Okay. Here we go. Okay. And now we are missing what lines are we missing? And 159. Maybe 59, sorry. Why? Oh, executor. Okay. Oh. Yeah, executor 159. Okay. I want 100% test coverage. Yes. Do you want 100% test coverage? Do you run with 100%? So here we want to specify the content type. Sorry. Wait a second. Why do we even bother? Well, yeah, we do bother. So, okay. Text plain. Yeah, we want here to return. Okay. Here we should, that test should have given me 100% code coverage. I think. Well, at least on one part. Why? No, it didn't. Okay, wait a second. Oh, yes. If it's passing, it's passing. It's doing nothing. If it's failing, it's logging the error message. And we probably want to store the error message even somewhere. Maybe. Okay. So, okay. Text plain. Okay. Actually, not here. I need to do it in retries. Okay, here. Okay, so we have the query. Okay, here we want to return. Okay, 267. Okay, what we want is a res status code 500. And this is down. Yeah, not like that. Maybe reply status 500. Okay. Perfect. Okay. That is 500, and that that's the test pass. And that should give us a little bit more core coverage. Let's try. We are trying to reach 100% core coverage. Yeah, one more line is covered. Okay. Oh yeah, it's executor. Yeah, this one is covered. We are missing those others. Wait. Node test retries. No, it didn't work. It didn't work. Okay. Body. The test I write, the more I need to maintain. Yes, of course. But the more tests I write, the better my application becomes. So I don't know. Like I'm feel. Oh yeah, and is not a function. Yeah, he is right actually. Yeah. This should work the same. Okay. Okay. So yes, the more tests I write, the more Why do I use tap? Node test is not production ready. Yes, that's exactly the case. So, or it's mostly ready, but it does not have a lot of niceties that I need. And I will actually prefer it. Okay, without content type. And this is with text plain. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but who tests the tests? Oh, yeah, absolutely. Anyway, okay, so we have reached 100% code coverage. Great. Oh, yeah. Wait a second. We need to do update the README with this is it, and investigate remaining to-dos. Yeah. 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 Here we go. And we have added 100% code coverage. I need to do that. Here we go. So, oh, and yeah, we haven't reached 100% code coverage. We might also, let's look at how to do with C8, how to enforce it. Okay. Dash dash all. Perfect. So what we want here, not here, maybe. Okay. Package JSON, all. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, target is not needed. Target. This is probably not what I want. Okay. Not all. Oh, that's just check coverage. It's not all. It's checking coverage. Okay. Dash 100. Yeah, that was wrong. Not all, but dash 100. Okay. By the way, folks, have you watched the 100 TV series? It's pretty nice. The finale is pretty, not good. I didn't like it, but that's what it is. Oh, you always use rm-rf/? Do you want to run rm-rf/? It's a great command. You should use it all the time. I use it all the time. No, I'm joking. And you should never use that command. Please don't destroy your system. Yeah, here we go. Push. It's on Netflix. Yes, I think it's on Netflix in Italy, The 100. Yeah. It's a nice TV series. Sci-fi. I watch a lot of sci-fi. Oh, this is my thing. So here we go. I watch a lot of sci-fi. So here we go. A lot of checks are running. What my favorite keyboard? This is running the tests. Cool. Okay. So my favorite keyboard. Well, the first as deployed. So this is deployed as precious penitent receptive verse. Okay. So my favorite keyboard, it is my favorite keyboard. This is what I use. This is, I don't know. Like you can probably see it all. Here you go. And don't look at it too much too close because it's probably a little bit dirt inside. And it's Keychron Key 7. Okay, it's quite a nice piece of hardware. I love it. And you can, here we go. This is it, Keychron Key 7. You can go to the Keychron website. And by the way, if you are from Keychron and you want to sponsor me, oh, they also start doing a mouse. Very interesting. They start doing a mouse. I will probably buy the mouse now. I shouldn't have looked. I'm so bad at this. So Keychron. Okay, so here I have the K7, which is a 65% keyboard, and you see it's very flat. And I got the, I think the Gatter of mechanical hot swappable. So I got this one. Probably with the blue or brown, I don't remember things. Yeah, Keychron. Yeah, this one. But also, look, they have mice. They've done a mice. I can't believe it. A wireless mice. Oh, these are actually fun questions. So, yay, Keychron. Yeah, no, this is not a nice mice. I don't. Well, it's actually very simple mice. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this seems very good. I like it. And the other one is the M1. Look at it. It's a bit too gamery, right? Probably. But it's wired. I wouldn't use a wired mice. At least it has the charging button. So I use this for mice. Okay, I use the Magic Mouse. And it's, I don't know. It's the one with the fancy, look where it charges. So you charge it in this way. So you take the charger and you put it on the top. Yeah, this is how you charge this thing. It's a piece of junk. So anyway, it's fun. There are a lot of memes of this. So look, I might buy a Keychron mouse. If you are from Keychron and you want to give me a wireless mouse, you're very happy. Yeah. It's a soap mouse. Anyway, so have you ever tried a split keyboard? No, I haven't. And I have been looking at the Ultimate keyboard, I think it's called the Ultimate. This one. Yeah, the Ergodox. Yeah, this one. This one. I've been looking at this for a long time. And from maybe one day I will buy it. This is... the Apple mouse, actually, it's actually pretty good for my wrist for some reason. I don't know. Hello, hi, Rafael. We are talking keyboards. So what keyboard do you like? So this is I have as I said I have the Keychron, and I'm really looking at the Ultima hacking keyboard, and look at it. It has the little mouse here, so I can never leave the keyboard. This, I don't know. This seems so interesting. Okay. It has only one problem. This keyboard only have one problem. Only one. You know what the problem is? It's freaking expensive. Like, what? Yeah. I don't know. This is super expensive. And then you need to add the track point. And this one, super expensive. Anyway. This one, the Ultimate Hacking Keyboard, Raphael. Yeah, this seems so amazing. Being cool is costly, right? Oh, I don't know if it's I shouldn't talk too much. I just bought an enormous amount of gear, and I've improved my camera, as you can see, and you probably are appreciating it a little bit, or you can see with greater details. And the next step is improving the lights, and I will probably get to improve the lights. So anyway, here is it running. It's passed. And we have, whoa, your application was successfully deployed. The precious penitent perceptive verse deployed to space. So here we can actually confirm and land this. Happy days. Okay. So we've got 100% code coverage. Okay. Cool. Then we need to, well, I want to configure renovate, to be honest, because this has been this PR open has been bothering me for a long time. So let me see. So this was failing a bit of time, but I need to add renovate.json. Yeah, I don't like this configuration of renovate, so I'm going to go in platformatic, and copy my configuration of renovate. Okay, which gives me exactly what I want, and I am copying it, and git checkout main vim renovate. Oh. So here renovate.json. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Okay. And yeah, I don't think those are needed. Okay. Added renovate. By the way, do you hear the keyboard clicking? Oh, yeah. Oh, so you're buying stuff on the Brazilian black market, Rafael. Very interesting. So how do you get your keyboards? You get them from there? Oh, I'm starting to become a little bit yellow. So maybe I just need to adjust a little bit the settings of my camera. Good. White balancing, unfortunately. I have odd lights, and I need to redo my settings every now and then, unfortunately. Okay, so I did push, and here we go. Let's see if the Unscalable queue system picked it up. And let's see what Renovate thinks. Oh, it renovates as this can be closed. Okay. And Renovate is already telling me that I need to upgrade my stuff. Cool. Oh, wait a second. I don't want to. Well, maybe. We'll see. We'll see if it does work. Okay, so Rafael, you were asking something, right? You were asking about the is my node vulnerable? This is actually a very good and interesting module. So let's take a look at it. So we have, okay, it's from Rafael. Hi, Rafael. And it's a nice chap. And, oh, is my node vulnerable? It says danger. Wow. Seems pretty cool. All good. And danger. Danger. I like the emoji, the thing. So let's try. Okay, let's try. So no dash v. So npx is my node vulnerable. Okay. Yeah. It's downloading it, running it. All good. Okay, all good. Then let's try with nvm use 18.1.0. Let's try. Oh, nvm ls. Which one do I have available? So nvm use v16.14. Let's try that. npx is my node vulnerable. Let's see. Oh, how many vulnerability has my node process? What? So many. I didn't know. Did you know? Well, to be honest, Rafael, looking at this output, it doesn't look good. Okay, you want to improve a little bit your output. Okay, like this is not really. It's way too many. So you might want to improve the output so that it's you. I don't know what is the problem, but it's for displays that are way too big. So okay. So here now I'm very curious. Where are you getting the stats? Do you have Undici? Okay. Haha, you're going GitHub. Index. Whoa, some fancy stream stuff. Yeah, I wouldn't really do that, Rafael. I wouldn't really do that. I would just reject this and do it at the top. It's going to bite you. Oh, amazing. I love it. I totally love it. Yay, no, wait a second. So you can just use NVM, use 19, and it's the latest, not the latest, but -1 latest, and this is good. But if you do NVM new 1900, maybe it's vulnerable. It's vulnerable, okay? So it depends. You need to, in order to not be vulnerable, you need to be into the latest one. By the way, this is amazing. It's truly amazing. It's a nice library, man. You know what? You know what would be cool is to do a little bit of a small website where you have where we show all of this data, and you can actually query it and show exactly what are the vulnerable ones and so on. It's not really it can be really useful if put in a website form and help a lot of people realize that their Node.js is vulnerable. Okay, so yeah, before npm start, you do npx is my node vulnerable, and they, you know, hopefully. Yeah, cool. Very nice. Dependable spam you a lot. Yeah, me too. Look at it. Yeah, okay. Let's update this. Yay. Cool. Okay. Renovate is running and doing our stuff. Okay. So test refactoring. Do you like refactoring, folks? Well, how many of you are around? So, looking at the time, it's probably getting a little bit too late. So I am going to drop. I have a few more work tasks to do before my daughter gets needs dinner, but I'll probably hear. So it was a nice session, and oh no, we are building something with Platformatic. What? This one? This is SpaceVim. This window? Yes, I do. I stream on Mondays and Thursday at 5:30 CEST. You can find it. I'm not on next week because I'm traveling, but the week after I will be back, and you can join my streams. So thank you for joining me, folks. Really, it's always a good pleasure to be here with all of you. So this is yeah, my editor, SpaceFilm, and yeah, a lot of stuff to work on. These console logs, nasty console logs to fix. Cool. Anyway, was a pleasure, folks, and so happy to be here. And we will chat again in 2 weeks, I think. So not this week, the week after that. So next Monday, 13th of February. And look, I might be doing some stuff on stage, and might be fun. But actually, I am doing something fun on Monday 13th. Because on Monday 13th, I will be streaming with my friend Matthew Phillips. I don't know if you know Matthew Phillips. Is one of the maintainers of Astro. He's in the team of Astro, and we are going to develop Fastify Astro. So it's going to be it's going to be a lot of fun. So that's pretty cool, and I can't wait actually for that session because I think it will be a huge amount of fun for us to do the work. So can't wait for it. Going to be fun. And then you can use, maybe we will have a new module for Fastify Astro. Yay. That's great. Perfect, folks. And see you next time. Bye-bye.